Happy Wednesday. Today, I just wanted to show you the aftermath of me trying to fix the bobbin winder holder from my sewing machine. So this is the part that holds your bobbin when you want to wind it up with thread. I accidentally broke that top part where your bobbin goes, and unfortunately you have to open the whole sewing machine in order to be able to replace that part. These are some of the screws. Honestly, it wasn't hard to open up the machine, but now I just have to deal with putting everything back together, the small parts. This is the back of the machine. You can see the needle going up and down. My machine is so dirty. I'm going to clean it finally. Here is the front of the machine. This is how the inside of the front machine looks like. So I wanted to make a video about putting the machine back together with its new bobbin, but it's like I just have to figure out, like I said, how to put the little stuff back on. It's fairly easy to do. It's just very tedious work, but I just wanted to show you how the inside of the machine looks like if you were ever interested in seeing how it looks. Hopefully I'll be able to upload the video soon. I am not an expert in sewing machines, not in the least. I just use this as a hobby. This was my first ever sewing machine, and I've been sewing since in high school. I was in high school. I took a class in sewing. I also wanted to say that we reached 10,000 subscribers. Right now, we are at 10,047. I cannot believe it. Just thank everybody for watching my videos, for commenting, for liking. Just thank you all so much. And here's to the future. I hope that you have a good rest of the day and rest of the week as well. And thank you just so much for watching. And as always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Have a good day, everyone.